Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Danny Younes from superchargewhitecoffeesa.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. Today is the 28th of June 2017 and I wanted to go through the Euro USD. I've got the daily chart here, and what we can see on the Euro yesterday, it had a big move up. All right, and this big move was on slightly higher volume, but the move actually broke through a previous resistance level. Okay, this area of selling. So from about the 22nd of May, we saw the euro just trek sideways. Okay, and every time it reached, about the 113 mark, they sold it off and brought it back down towards the 111. So it's been in this range for about 6 weeks or so, and finally yesterday it has broken through, and it's also broken through this area of weakness here that we've got a trap up move back on the 9th of November of 2016. Okay, so it's cleared both of those areas. So at this stage it's looking bullish. Okay, if we bring up the Smart Center Pro, all right, we can see that the weekly is up, the daily is sideways, the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15 minute are all up, and we've got a bit of a sideways movement currently in the 1 and the 5 minute time frames. So all in all, the euro is bullish. So if we look at the 4 hour chart, okay, we can see, okay, there was certainly ultra high volume, okay, on this bar here. All right, so clearly there is buying. There is buying here. So now with this up move, we can see that the up bars have gotten narrower and the volume has gotten lower. Okay, but this bar now on the 4 hour, it's currently sitting in the middle of the range, and it looks like we're going to have very high to ultra high volume. Okay, so we'll see how this plays out, but we might start seeing some weakness coming back in to the euro. So I'm going to mark the high of this ultra high volume bar. Okay, so that's the high. So if we come back and retest, okay, either between the high or the close of that bar, if we come back and retest and we get a low volume test at this level here, then that is bullish, and we're likely to see the euro push higher. Okay, so at this stage, it is looking a little bit weaker. Okay, we're starting to see a bit of volume coming in. Okay, so we may see it come back down and test these levels here, 113.31 down to 113.11. Okay, so a 20 pip range there. So we'll see how that pans out. So how far can okay, so let's go to the weekly chart, and we can see we do have selling occurring at these levels here. So we've got the 115 mark and also the 116 mark. Okay, so that's where we could see the euro head towards, all right, over the short term. So 115 and 116. Okay, so if we do clear those levels, 116, 115, then 117 would be the next key area to keep an eye out for. But for the short term now, waiting for possibly a low volume test back into this area, and that will confirm the absorption volume. Okay, and if we do get a low volume test, I would expect to see higher prices with the euro. So let's have a look at the scanner. Okay, now the scanner we are seeing on the 4 hour. Okay, we've got a buying climax. We've got no demand and also another no demand. Okay, so we're starting to see weakness appear. We've got also weakness on the 1 hour. We've got a buying climax, no demand, no demand. So there is weakness. Okay, so we'll see how this plays out over the coming days. Okay, so we'll keep a close eye on this. So at the moment, it is looking bullish. So looking for signs of strength back into the areas of 133.31 down to 113.31 to 113.11. Okay, folks, any questions at all, shoot me through an email to danny@tradegoddard.com. Have a great day, folks, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.